Good evening guys. So here we have come with another paper and this is revision number 9. Hope you have done with the papers. So we'll see the first question. In the first question they are asking us to evaluate this 16 and 10 squared minus 6 squared, right? So how to simplify this? 16, so 16 is there. First we'll mark this down, square root 16 and 10 squared minus 6 squared, right? Can we factorize this? We can factorize this because this comes under difference of two squares. So one should be minus and the other one should be in plus. 10 minus 6, 10 plus 6. They didn't ask us to simplify by using the knowledge of factors. Directly they have said no. So if you want, you can you can find the answer of 10 square. 10 square is 100 and 6 square is 36. So you can take the difference of that, right? But I feel it's a bit easy for me. 10 minus 6, it's 4. And 10 plus 6, it's 16, right? So now we can get the square roots. 16 root, the answer is 4. Root 4, the answer is 2. And again root 16, answer is 4. So 4 2s are 8, 8 4s are 32 is the answer. So now we can move to the next one. The ratios between the angles of a triangle is 2:3:4. Find the magnitude of the smallest angle. Okay, right. So what we have to do is first we have to mark them. We'll mark the ratios and now we'll mark them in fraction format. How to mark this in fraction format? 2 plus 3 is 5, 5 plus 4 is 9. Out of 9, 2 parts for this, and out of 9, 3. And here out of 9, just 4 parts for this, right? So which one is the smallest? 2 over 9 is what the smallest. Okay, right. So 2 over 9, the smallest angle. And here, do you know the sum of all three angles? Here they are saying the ratios between the angles of a triangle. Interior angles of a triangle, right? So the interior angles of a triangle is 2:3:4, right? So what's the sum of interior angles of a triangle? It's 180. So we can multiply this by 180. So 9 to 118 we can cancel. Then 2 20s are, it's 40. That's it. So the smallest angle is 40 degree. And we'll move to the next one. Write the next two terms of the following. So you can see that it's very easy. Minus, plus, and the next one should be in minus and the last one should be in plus. And here 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16 and 16 2s are 32, 32 2s are 64. That's it. They're not asking any other things, right? The common ratio or anything, right? Okay, fine. So we'll move to the next one now. The fourth one, simplify. It's very easy. Plus into minus into plus into minus minus, minus into minus plus. Now we'll multiply. 5 3s are 15 and 15 4s are, it's 60. 5 3s are 15 and 15 4s are, it's 60. So the fifth one, write down the two positive integers of x which satisfies the inequality 2x minus 5 is less than or equal to. Okay, right. So write down two positive integers of x. So first of all what we have to do, we have to simplify this. 2x minus 5 is less than or equal to. So how to simplify this? First of all, to subject this x, we have to take this minus 5 to the right side and there will be plus 5. 2 plus 5. And now 2 plus 5 is 7. Now we'll divide them both by 2. Then we will get the answer. X is less than or equal. 7 divided by 2 is 3.5. So you can give 1 mark for each. Then 2 mark for each. If it is correct, 2. If this is correct, again 2. If you have got this answer. And for each 1 mark. If the sign is not there, then again you can't give marks for that. And here for 2 marks. And here for obtaining this 1 mark. But here they are asking write down two positive integers. So give two positive integers less than 3.5. Equal or less than 3.5. You can go with 3, 2 as well as 1. So if you have given this answer, 1 mark for this. They are asking only 2. No need to write them all. So okay, fine. Now here the first question. And 10 marks for this. ABCD is a square of x plus 4 units. The length of a side PQRS is a rectangle. The length of a side of it is x plus 8 units. Okay, right. So you can see that PQRS, it's a rectangle and ABCD, it's a square. That's how they have mentioned, right? And the breadth of it is x. That's it. You can see, the length is x plus 8 and the breadth is just x. Okay, so the first question, get an algebraic expression for the area of the square ABCD. So they are asking us to get an expression for the area of the square ABCD. For the area of the square ABCD. So what's the formula of area of a square? It's length into breadth. Okay, and both same. You can say that x plus 4 and here also it's x plus 4. They are asking us only to get an expression, right? They didn't say us to simplify that. Okay, right. And the second one, Roman number 2. And in Roman number 2, they are saying us get an algebraic expression for the area of the rectangle PQRS. Okay, right. So for PQRS, area is equals again length into breadth, and here the length is x plus 8 and the breadth is just x. Fine. So shall we simplify this? Then we will get one answer, right? So first of all, we'll read the third one, and after that we'll see whether we have to simplify that or not. Find how much it would be more the area of the square ABCD in units than the area of the rectangle. So they're asking the difference. To find out the difference, definitely we have to simplify them. So x into x is x squared plus 4 into x 4x plus 4 into x again 4x, and the last one 4 4s are 16. Can simplify this further, x squared plus 8x plus 16, and here x into x is x squared plus x into 8 is 8x, right? So how to give the marks? This is the method. So if you have already given the expressions, it's okay, fine, you can give 2 marks for this and again 2 marks for this, right? So now they are asking us the differences. So how to get the difference now? So for that, first of all, we have to simplify them. Here already I have simplified them. Now we can find the difference. So for that, what we have to do, the difference, x squared plus 8x plus 16, that means the area of the square, we have to subtract that by the area of the rectangle, x squared plus 8x. We have to mark this within bracket. Okay, so for writing this step, you will get another 2 marks for that. So the next, x squared plus 8x plus 16, and minus into plus, there will be minus 6x squared, and minus into plus minus 8x. Now we can simplify this easily. X squared to x squared can cancel, 8x to 8x also can cancel, then what's remaining? Just the difference is 16 units. So for that you will get another 2 marks. And the last one, get an algebraic expression with brackets for the area of a square of which the length of a side is x plus y. Read again carefully. Get an algebraic expression with brackets for the area of the square of which the length of a side is x plus y. So just they are asking us to find out the area if the length of one side is x plus y. So x plus y into x plus y. Now we can simplify this easily. X into x, x squared, plus x into y, xy, plus y into x, xy again, plus y's are y squared. So here now you can see these two terms are similar, so we can add them both. X squared plus xy plus xy, it's 2xy, and the last one is plus y squared. That's it, and again 2 marks for that. Okay, right, and here's simple B under that, and 2 marks for this. In an arithmetic progression, 3, 0, minus 3, minus 6, find the common difference, right? So they're asking us to find the common difference. How to find the common difference of this? Roman number 1. So we have to get the difference of 2 consecutive terms. So 0 minus 3, the answer is minus 3. That's it. And now they are asking us to find the 10th term. How to get the 10th term? The formula Tn is equals a plus n minus 1 and d. Okay, right, Tn, and the initial term is 3. So we have to substitute 3 there, and n is, they are asking us to find the 10th term, 10 minus 1, and here the common difference is minus 3. Right, so we can solve this easily. 3, just let it be plus into minus minus. 10 minus 1, it's 9, and 9 3s are 27. So now it's a bit easy for us. 3 minus 27, the difference is minus 24. You can see minus is what the highest, so you have to give the answer in minus. So minus 24. That's it. So okay, right guys, moving to the second question now. Question number 2. Shown in the diagram, ABC is an isosceles triangle circumscribed by the circle center O. So they have mentioned that the center of this circle is O, right? And it is given that AB is equals AC. Okay, AB is equals AC. That means two sides are same, means it's an isosceles triangle. Already they have mentioned that. And AD is the diameter. AD is the diameter. And BAO, they have given the magnitude of BAO. The BAO is how much? 40 degree. And the first question here, they are asking us to name an angle equal to ABC. ABC. ABC is here, right? So now we have to mark another equal angle for that. So which one is equal for that? Just consider this equilateral, this isosceles triangle. Here these two sides are same. If those two sides are same, what can we say about the opposite angles? Yes, they both are similar. That's the theorem. Isosceles angle theorem, right? So here two sides are same, then the opposite angles also same. Fine. So what's the name of the opposite angle? The next one, ACB. So here directly you can mark this as ACB. And the second one, name two sides equals to BO. So what are those two sides? BO. BO means it's radius of the circle, right? Now, okay, fine. So what can you say about AO and CO? See, BO is the radius of a circle. Then AO and CO, they both also similar. Yes, they also the radius of the same circle. They also the radius of the same circle. So we can name them as, or else you can mark OD also, right? No issues with that. But I'm going with AO and OC. They all same, huh? OB, OA, OC, OD, because the reason is radius of the same circle. So I'm going to mark them as OA and OC. And the reason you have to mark that as radius of the same circle. And the third one, show that the triangle ABO is congruent with the triangle ACO, right? So I'm going only with the answer. Yes, first of all you have to mark this as in the triangle ABO and ACO, in the triangle ABO and ACO. Okay, right. So now we have to give three proofs. Right, so what are the three proofs? Here the first proof is, already they have given AB is equals AC. And what's the reason? Given or data. And the second one, AB is equals AC, the first one. And the second one is, we can say that OB is equals OC. Why? What is the reason? Already proven. Or the radius of the same circle. You can give the same thing, right? Radius of the same circle. OB is equals OC. That means now these two sides also same. Okay, fine. So now we have to give one more proof. What can we say about this AO? AO is equals AO, isn't it? AO is equals AO, and the reason is common. It's common side. Okay, right. So therefore we can directly say that the triangle ABO is congruent to the triangle ACO. And what's the case? The case is S, S, S. Side, side, side. And now we'll move to the fourth question. Here find the value of BOC. They are asking us to find the value of BOC. So how to find the value of this BOC? Right. So I'm drawing a small diagram. Here BOC. And the next one is BAC. Okay. Already they have said that these two triangles are congruent. If those two triangles are congruent, what can you say about this, the magnitude of this angle? They both are similar or not? Yes. Why? What's the reason? Because corresponding elements, that means here the corresponding angles of congruent triangles, they both are congruent triangles, are equal. So directly we can mark this as OAC is equals 40 degree. And within bracket you have to mark the reason, corresponding elements of congruent triangles are equal. Fine. So OAC is equals 40 degree. Fine. Now here 40 plus 40 it's 80. Then now can we find the value of this BOC or not? Now here the magnitude of this angle is 80. So how much is BOC? What's the idea? Yes, it's 160. Directly we can say that as 160. Why? What's the reason? There is a small theorem. BOC is equals 160. The reason is, angle subtended on the center of a circle is twice the angle subtended on the remaining side, right? On the remaining part or the remaining portion, right? Okay. So here 80 means, then how much is this? It's twice of that, 160. If this is 40, then how much is here? It's 80. If this is 50, then how much is here? It's 100. So here it's 160. That's it. So we have found the magnitude of this BOC. It's 160. Fine. And the last one. Prove that OBC is equals 10. OBC is 10. So how to prove that? Here see, again it's an isosceles triangle. If it's an isosceles triangle, what can you say about the opposite angles? They both are same. Right, fine. So if this is x, then how much is this? X. If this is 20, then how much is this? 20, right? So I am taking them as x first. So x plus and BOC, the magnitude of BOC, just now we found that 160 and it's equals 180. Now can we find the value of this x? Yes, that's easy. How to find this? X plus x is 2x. 160, if we take that, there will be minus. So 180 minus 160 is 20. And now we'll divide them both by 2. Then we will get the answer of x. It's just 10. That means OBC is equals 10. That's it. And here the marks. So for the first one, can give 1 mark. For the second one, again 1 mark. And for this, for giving all 3 reasons, 2 marks. For the last proof, 1 again. And here for finding this 40 degree, you have to give 1 mark. And for 160, 2 marks. And for the last question, again 2 marks. That's it. Now we can move to the next one, the third question. Okay, right. So here the third one, the imported value of a motorcycle is 1,500 American dollars. The government charges a duty of 20% when a motorcycle of this type is imported. Find the imported price of a motorcycle when the value of an American dollar is 130 rupees. It's very easy, right? Okay, already we have discussed this kind of question, right? So read the question again from the beginning. The imported value of a motorcycle is 1,500 American dollars. Okay, right. And here they are asking us find the imported value, right? In when the value of an American dollar is 130. So that means we have to convert this into rupees. 1,500. For that we have to multiply this by 130. Zeros, 0. And again 13 zeros are 0, 13 zeros are 0, 13 fives are 65, 6 remaining, 13 ones are 13 plus 1, 13 plus 6, it's 19. So here the answer 1,95,000 rupees. And we'll move to the second one, Roman number 2. How much that had to be paid as duty when a motorcycle is imported? Okay, right. So they're asking us to find the tax. So how to find the tax? Just 20%. That means they have to pay 20% as tax. 1,95,000 rupees. We have to multiply this by 20%. So now we'll get the answer. Zeros cancel. Again zeros cancel. 2 zeros are 0, 0, 2 fives are 10. And 1 remaining. 2 nines are 18 plus 1, 19. Again 1 remaining. 2 ones are 2 plus 1, 3. So here the answer 39,000 rupees. That means they have to pay about 39,000 rupees as tax. And now we'll move to the third one. What is the value of the motorcycle after the custom duty is paid? Okay, for that what we have to do? Yes, we have to add them both. The initial amount and now after the custom duty paid, again they'll add this. 5 plus 9, 14, 13, 2,34,000 rupees. That means now the current price of the particular vehicle is 2,34,000 rupees. And the fourth one, read the fourth one carefully. At what price should the motorcycle be sold by the importer to make a profit of 10%? Okay, so first we'll find the profit. How to get the profit? Profit is equals 2,34,000 rupees. And we have to multiply this by just 10%. Cancelled, so that means 23,400 rupees. And they are asking us to find the selling price. So how to get the selling price now? The selling price is 2,34,000 plus 23,400. So now we'll get the answer 0,04752. 2,57,400. So here the answer, and you can give 2 marks for each. Here for 1,95,000, 2 marks, and for this again 2, for this again 2, and for finding this, for the last one again 2 marks. There's a method which you can find the answer directly. 2,57,400. You can directly multiply this by 110. Then you will get the selling price directly. Right. So now here we'll move to simple B. There's another part. Okay, right. So here in simple B, if 500 rupees is charged as quarterly rates for a house of assessed annual value 40,000 rupees. Calculate the percentage charged as rates. Okay, so quarterly rate is 500 rupees. Then how to find the tax? The annual tax. To find the annual tax, we have to multiply this by 4. For a quarter, they have to pay about 500 rupees. Then to find for the annual rate, we have to multiply this by 4. Then we will get 2000 rupees. Okay, right guys, and moving to the next one. Now they are asking us to calculate the percentage. So how to get the percentage? Here I am going to mark the common formula, tax is equals initial amount, but here we have to mark this as assessed annual value into the rate or the percentage. This comes under rates, huh? So the tax is 2000 rupees and the initial amount or the annual assessed value is 40,000 rupees. And the percentage, how to find the percentage? Just we have to mark this as x over 100. Double zeros cancelled. 400, if we take that to the left side, there will be division. Double zeros cancelled. So 20 divided by 4, the answer is 5%. So 20 divided by 4 is 5%. That's it. So now we'll move to the last question. So right guys, we are going to practice this. The fourth question. In the following construction, use only straight edge weights, a centimeter millimeter scale and a pair of compasses. Right, show the construction lines clearly. Right, so here the first one, construct the triangle ABC with 7 centimeter, AB 7 centimeter and BAC 60 and ABC is 30. So first of all, what we have to do? Yes, we have to construct the length AB. So I am taking the length as 7 centimeter. Okay, so before that we'll draw a small straight line. That should be greater than 7. Okay, fine. So now here the 7 centimeter again. Right, it's clear. So now the distance is 7 centimeters. So we'll mark them as A and B. And it's 7 centimeter. Right, and BAC is 60. So how to construct that? BAC is 60. First of all, we have to draw a small arc like this, and without changing the distance, if we intersect the same arc by placing the compass here, right, we will get that 60 degree. Okay, so now we'll move to the next one. ABC is 30. So here BAC is 60 and ABC is 30. So how to construct 30 now? Again, first of all, we have to construct this 60. And now it's 60. And now we have to construct the bisector of this angle. So we'll construct the bisector of this angle, one arc, and place the compass on this and the second arc. Right. So now we'll join them both. Exact the mid. Okay, right. So here, now we got the intersection point of C. C is here. Right guys, so we can move to the next one. Now the second question, construct the perpendicular bisector of AB. So how to construct the perpendicular bisector of AB? This is the method. Place the compass on B. Draw two arcs on either sides, the first arc and the second, and place the compass on A. Again intersect there. Right, so you saw that we got two intersection points now, so join them both, then you will get the perpendicular bisector. Right, here the perpendicular bisector, not only the perpendicular, it bisects the sides similarly. Right now, so here the perpendicular means it's 90 now. Right. Okay, fine. So now what are they saying there? The next one, construct the circle with the diameter AB. So they are asking us to take the line AB as a diameter and construct a small circle. Okay, name its center as O. Here already we have the center. Center is the mid one. Right, now we can construct the circle. Perfect. Okay, right. And the center as O, so we have to mark that O as well. Here I marked that O. Right, so we'll move to the next one now. Join CO and produce it to meet the circle D. Okay, so we'll join them. Join CO. C is here and O is here. right? So here we have to mark this as D. Now what's the question? The last one. Join AD and write down a relationship between CBA and CDA. So join AD. So we'll join that first, AD. Okay, right. And now they're asking us to write down the relationship between CBA, CBA and CDA. So what can you say about CBA and CDA? Same segment, right? CBA, they comes, right? Same segment. CBA and CDA. Same segment means they both are same. Right, so 2 marks for each part. And that's all for today. We'll meet by next week. And here the class students, don't forget to drop your marks.